Hello, you guys. Coming in to give you all an update on how the garden is going, on what I've changed, and what I am doing in the process. I went ahead and put the gate up. Put some more rocks down for the pathway. Then I put 2 raised beds together. These are maybe 2 by 8 in size for these beds. I got the sugar peas, cabbage, it's cabbage, I went ahead and separated all those mustard seeds that I had together over there in the ground. So I just spaced them all out in this bed. And then the fish jar. This thing keeps hitting. I'm doing really good. I was a little scared when I transplanted them because I didn't know if they were gonna survive being taken out of where they've been growing for a couple of months into this new raised bed. They're doing good. They are still growing. That one's doing really good. And then the onions back there. And then another sugar snap pea. I got this trellis here. Hopefully maybe it'll grow up this trellis right here. And same size raised bed, 2 by 8, I believe. 2 by maybe what, 2 feet across, 8 in length, and then I think it's maybe 1.5 feet high. Let's see, yeah. Brussels sprouts, kale, another cabbage. So everything that I had over there in the ground, I just put in these 2 beds this far, and then this area will be the, let me see, the light in this. This area right here will be an in-ground bed that I'm planning on doing. I'll probably put wood up around it to close it in a little bit so the rocks don't keep getting kicked in there. So yeah, but this will be an in-ground bed area. These are my carrots. Believe it or not, I had these carrots since last spring. I had them in the raised box beds, and I was not fertilizing them the way I should. So when fall came around, I just put them in this pot that I had on the porch and just left them there. And I just recently started fertilizing them. And they're the tops are taking off pretty well, but I assume they might be doing something underneath. So we can check and see. Let's see this one. What do we got? Little something. I know they're not ready. They're still pretty small. So I'm gonna leave them in there. And I did not separate these at all. I didn't thin them out. So I'm just gonna let them do whatever. This is an old pepper that I did not take out after the summer. It's just been sitting in there. My plan was to overwinter them, but Never got around to it, just left it in there. But in this in-ground bed down here are garlic, yep, and I'm planning on putting maybe a bunch of stuff down here, but I'm going to have cucumbers over this way. So I have more garlic and those flowers. I think somebody told me they were ranunculus. I don't know. I think that's how you pronounce them. I don't know. But yeah, I think they're ranunculus. They are like, they look like roses, but they're not. But that's what those are. And then garlic. And then, let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna continue this bed all the way out to here. Close it up. Then I have these two raised beds that I have. I filled them up with leaves. So hopefully over time they'll break down into compost. So yeah, I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more and then put my soil on top that I'm gonna be making myself, and a bunch more, probably mushroom compost. Not sure. Try to go the more reasonable route that I can afford. Okay, soil so yeah, those are these two beds. I filled them up with leaves, but these two beds right here, I did fill them up with sticks and logs and branches, and then in the middle I put a bunch of leaves. So I'm just trying to utilize a bunch of wood and leaves that fall from the back of the yard. And this area over here is another in-ground bed that I'm gonna be working on. It's just completely bare over here. I think there's still some stuff left over on this side that I didn't pull up. Yeah, those flowers. Some more garlic. Yep. So this whole thing from here on down will be an in-ground bed, and then this side over here is going to be another in-ground bed. This is where those the cabbages were, over here in the ground. So I took the wood down, and I'm just going to amend the soil and probably build another different type of structure. I don't know if I'm going to do a flower bed or a potato bed. Not sure, still working on it. I did have to plan out on paper, but that's not how all these things work. So yeah, then I'll do another in-ground bed, and then eventually I'm gonna be closing off where I started the walkway back there. So I don't know if I'm gonna do in-ground or some more raised beds. Not sure, but I'm gonna close this completely off all the way down and finish making this walkway coming back up to connect with the rest of the paths that I have. And then in the inside of the house, yes, I did transplant some. Well, I did transplant this whole side out there in that raised bed out there. I think it was Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and spinach in this bed. So, but everything in here I'm also going to be transplanting out somewhere out there, because I'm going to redo this greenhouse. I'm going to try to utilize it in the most way that I can. So I probably build or make some more tables like this, so I can make a lot more starts and seed starters in here. So I probably have one in-ground bed in here, and then just do the rest like tables, maybe 2-tier, not sure, we'll see. I'm gonna see what I can do and what I have that I can utilize to make what I have in mind. But like I said, it doesn't always go how you have it on paper or how you have it in your mind. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one though, because I had this. It's been sitting in the garage. My aunt gave me some stackables, and then I have some pre-cut wood that I cut from last summer that was just sitting, and I just cut them to fit exactly the space that it needed to be cut, and just pop them in. But yeah, I guess that's it. I just wanted to come in and show you guys what I've been working on, and hopefully you guys are getting started or getting prepared for the spring and summer. It's right around the corner. I know it's January, but it'll be gone before you know it. So yes, that's it, you guys. I hope this inspires someone to go out and get started and sow a seed. Ready to eat. Come on. Okay.